guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing Honest Squishy Seller. So there are background noise because my auntie's just watching TV, whatever. So if you hear background noise, please ignore it, whatever. So yeah, let's get right onto the video. Woohoo! So guys, I received a squishy package or a squishy order. So I'm putting it in this bag or box, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, the first thing she wanted is a melody bread. I got it right over here with the tag because I don't want to scam anyone because everyone is going to be sad if I scam them. If the people got scammed, it's licensed. The next squishy she wanted is a unicorn bear. This is not with packaging. I mean, I can give her one package. One packaging, so wait for a second. Wait. I decided to give her this packaging. So yeah, so I put it in. It does not fit actually, so I have to fold it. Squishy. It does not really fit the box. I'll see. The next thing she'll want is a cute bun, like the normal bun. That's for like $5. This one, I don't know how to do with it. This one is so big. So I might give her another package to fill with it. Whatever. Next thing she wanted is a mini cake roll. Got it right here. That's the one she wanted. Like exactly what she wanted. The next squishy she wanted is a Cafe Diane Dreamy Pesto donut. Right here. I really helped her to put the bar chain with everything it is. This is the best. And this is my last one. Does not fit at all. This one, have to move it away. You'll stay for another package. So wait, I'll find another big package. So I think I'm going to be using this package instead of this. But I guess I can put the squishy in, and then the one with the does not fit, and put it inside the bag. Like the box will also be in this bag too. So yeah, I'll put this at last. Okay, the next squishy she wanted, or the last squishy she wanted, is this I Blue Mini Strawberry Bread Doll. So yeah, it actually does good. And for a good person, I'll give her one extra, which is, let me see. I'm gonna give her this melon bun. Since the box is has enough space, so I'm gonna put this in the box. Close the box up. Done, and then get the bag. Cut it in, and then put the squishy in. This is like the squishy that does not fit. I don't even realize it's here because my auntie's like talking on the phone. Like, what the heck? So here's the squishy. Okay. Put it in. You know, I better put the put the squishy in package. So wait for a second, I'll put it in. Apparently, I put the squishy in this package. It totally fits. It's so pretty in this packaging. So yeah, yes, really cute. So I'm gonna mail it to her. Ready, guys? This is what the package looks like. So I'm gonna put tape. See you guys. Apparently, guys, I've packaged them. So see you guys when I mail this. Bye, guys. So apparently, guys, I'm gonna continue with the person who got the package. See you guys. Where will my squishy package come? Let me see. I got my squishy package. Oh my gosh. It's night already and I got my squishy package. That's insane. So let me make a video. Hey guys, it's me and today I'm going to be opening squishy package from Squishy Lover 412. And wow, her username is almost the same as mine, but mine's Squishy Lover 221. So that's really crazy. Sorry guys for the background noise. So yeah, I got my squishy package right here. I already saw a squishy there, so probably is when the squishy does not fit the box because I feel there's a box in here. As you guys can see, it's a hole. Let's open the package. Wow. I saw this squishy in a box. There's a purple box. So I got this. I remember I got this Unicorn Bear with no packaging, but I got a packaging, so that's really good. Really slow rising. It's not licensed, and there's a hole in the packaging. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's super fine. So for the purple box, I think that's everything I ordered inside. But probably the unicorn does not fit the box. So she had to put it outside the box. So yeah. I did not order this melon bun, but I guess this is an extra. Thank you so much, Squishy Lover 412. Smells like sweet bread, really good. It's not I Bloom Cafe Dien, but I did order one Cafe Dien squishy. And I did not order that much because since I already had almost all their shop squishies, like almost, don't get me wrong. So here's the note come with. So yeah, I ordered this. Okay, the lighting is so light. Okay, this melody bread. There are some defects that she told me already. I was like totally fine because that's the last one of everything. Yeah. If you see tag, really cute. And it's already not in original packaging, but she put it in her clear packaging. That's so good of her. So the next thing I got is this cake roll I won't squish that too much because I'll have a makeover on this cake roll, so whatever. This is just for $3. That's so cheap. And the next squishy I got is this one that you can actually get in the 50 pieces or 30 piece or 20 piece or 40 piece or 30 piece squishy in Amazon. But I just really like them, so cute. And in the packaging for some reason, because these usually is in like those like Ziploc bags, you know what I mean? And then for the two exciting squishies that I got, first I got this Ivan Red doll. She don't have the original packaging for some reason, so she gave me she put it in this clear packaging, but that's totally fine. Look at how cute it is. Here is the licensing. What? So sorry about the background noise again. This is licensed by iBloom. The next squishy is this Dreamy Pastel series in Cafe Dien. I just can't explain it. It's really cute. She already had me put it in this, the ball tray, which I needed. So let's take it out of the packaging. The lighting is so weird. So I took it out of the packaging, and it comes with this clear packaging. I think it's because of the tag. Yeah, it's really cute. It's the last ones. I've definitely had to get them. And this is licensed by Nick. This is just... And here's the little taggy. I love touching this for some reason. It's my first Cafe Dien squishy. And there are these little I don't know what are these. They're not defects. There's literally no defects at all. They're those little holes and stuff. Because these are really well painted. It's super thick paint. So it won't have defects at all. It's just really bleh. It smells real bad, sorry guys. But really it smells really bad. I put it back in the packaging because I don't want the packaging is not resealable because it's gonna get non-sticky. So I better do. So that's it for the squishy package. Bye guys. So that's it for my video. Bye guys.